our three main services: relocation management, estate clearouts, and of course, we organize. Decluttering, space planning, containing, and putting in systems so that our clients can stress less and live more. Sometimes what people realize is with a solo organizer, you're paying a few $100s at a time for each session. So what we offer is project pricing. Sometimes people get sticker shock when they see, oh wow, 24 hours up front. But guess what? Good news, we offer a payment plan. When we send the invoice, you have the option to request a payment plan, and you can split the invoice 3 ways. You can have that go out monthly, half and half. We are more than happy to work with you on your budget. And as we're going into a recession, we recognize that organizing can be more of a discretionary income service, but in some cases it's very necessary. We want to be flexible in offering those payment plans to our clients.